Now when I was a young man, barely 16, dreams in my pocket, life looking clean. My daddy told me, son, stand tall and be strong. But these hard roads taught me where I belong. I'm a man, yes I am. I carry my load through fire and rain on a broken road. I'm a man, ain't no child no more. Just me and my blues, whiskey whispering, got nothing to lose. Love came knocking, but she wouldn't stay. Left me with memories that won't fade away. Wasn't I a man? Didn't I try? Gave her my heart, still watched it die. I'm a man, hear me now. But I keep on walking, make this world my home. Oh well, morning light doesn't always make it right, but I'm a man.